Some people scroll, some people grind. Most people, they complain, they blame, and they stay broke forever. This is not motivation, this is a freaking wake-up call. I was born into a middle-class Indian family. Hard work was the religion. Study well, get a job, buy a house, retire at 60. That was the blueprint. And I followed it like a loyal dog. I studied engineering, landed an IT job. Clocked in, clocked out, but inside, I was dead. Month after month, the salary came, but so did the bills. I was not living, I was just surviving. One night, something snapped. I did the math. I worked 22 days a month, 9 hours a day. That's 198 hours. My salary was around close to $6,000 per month. That's roughly $3 an hour. But here's the trap. If I didn't work, I didn't earn. And if I died, the income stopped. That's not freedom. That's a beautiful prison. I made a silent promise. I will stop trading my life for money. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day I will get paid to sleep. I told my friends I'm building passive income. They laughed. One said, "You think you are Warren Buffett?" Now, another said, "Bro, just be happy with your job." And guess what? They are still stuck. Still waiting for promotions. Still blaming the economy. Still broke, but wearing branded clothes. The first dividend I ever got was just 97 cents, I believe. Yeah. I smiled like I won the lottery. Not because of the money, but because it came while I was sleeping. That's when it clicked. This is how the rich get richer. They build cash machines that never sleep. Here's the truth no one wants to say. Most people will stay broke because they're addicted to comfort. They will spend $50 on Friday night drinks but won't invest a $10 in a dividend ETF. They want freedom but not the discipline. They want success but not sacrifice. And that's why they will never win. One day I asked myself, what if I die like this? A slave? A silent sufferer? A number on a payroll? And I said, never. That's the moment. I changed. Not for the world, not for the fame, but for my daughters, for myself, for my future, for my name to mean something. In this next part, I will show you exactly how I built my first streams of passive income with proof, with numbers, with the exact path I want, so you can walk too. If this hits you hard, subscribe, share, comment. I refuse to stay broke in the below. Because we are just getting started. You wake up not because you're done sleeping, but because an alarm clock said so. You drag yourself out of the bed to sell your time, to sell your soul, to build somebody else's dream. Just for a paycheck that disappears before the month ends. But here's the truth nobody told you. You know what? You were never meant to be free. You were trained, yes, trained to be a wage slave. From the time you were 5 years, they taught you to obey, not to be creative, not to question, just to memorize, to regularize. Sit still, raise your hand. Why? So you would be the perfect employee, a cog, a modern slave with a Netflix subscription and a phone that tracks everything you do. Look around. Most people are not living. They are just surviving. Working jobs they hate for people they just don't even like it. To buy crap things they don't need. To impress people they don't even like you. but you're still watching. That means you feel it, my friends. That itch, that fire in your gut whispering, there's more to life than this. I hear that. You're damn right. And here's what the system doesn't want you to know. You don't need to be millions to be free. You just need $1,000 per month coming in while you sleep. That's enough to say. No boss, no alarm clock, no soul-sucking meetings. How? Dividend ETFs. I make money while watching Netflix. YouTube, just one video per week that can simply compound like magic. And you can consider like AI digital products, and that you can sell it on the Gumroad and Amazon Kindle. Just one click dopamine. And then you can consider something like the cybersecurity freelancing. They print cash from skills nobody has. Hey, this is not theory, this is my life. I do it, I teach it, and I get paid for it. I use industry leading tools like Nessus Pro to audit the websites and really help small business stay afloat and protected. People literally pay me to check if their site is safe. Want me to check yours? I am offering the first 3 scans just under $10 to help the small business and people just like you and me. So I have left the link in the description below. Please click, have a look, and then please support. Okay, so these are actually the real value, real skill, and the real income. They call me lucky. They say, must be nice. But they didn't see my 2 a.m. edits, my routine, the silent battles, the years of doing things no one clapped for me. So here's your choice. Be a slave or be a sovereign. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Just $1 at a time, one video at a time, one investments at a time. Let them waste their lives scrolling, and you are building your escape. Subscribe or don't. I'm still getting paid. You've got 2 choices right now. Scroll to the next video and stay broke, tired and replaceable, or hit that subscribe and join the few building real freedom. Because while they scroll, we invest. While they slave, we earn in our sleep. And while they hope, we execute. This is Aussie Wealth Builder, and we don't chase hype. We print freedom. Hit that like, drop a comment, and I will see you at the top, while they rot at the bottom.